Dear students, welcome in our new lecture of law of evidence. In our last lecture, we discussed about the section 6 and the doctrine of res gestae. Today, in this lecture, we will discuss about the section 7 of the Indian Evidence Act. The provision of this act says that facts which are the occasion, cause, or effect, immediate or otherwise, of relevant facts are facts in issue or which constitute the state of things under which they happened or which offered an opportunity for their occurrence or transaction are relevant. We note that these sections are make up provisions about relevancy of facts. According to this section, occasion, cause, effects, opportunity, state of things, these are the relevant facts. But we have to know that how we can say that these are the important points are essential element of this section. Firstly, we have to know the importance of occasion, cause, and effect. The fact which are not in issue and which cannot be treated as part of the same transaction may be relevant if they are connected with the facts in issue or relevant facts in any of the following modes. If first they are occasion or cause of the facts in issue or relevant facts. The second is if they are the effect of such facts. The third is if they constitute state of things under which such facts in issue or relevant facts occurred. And the fourth is they gave opportunity for occurrence of such fact. So, this is a provision which says us that when the occasion, cause, or effect of facts in issue or relevant facts is important and relevant. To clear this section, we have to read the illustration of this section. When you see the illustration A, the illustration says that the question is whether A robbed B. The facts that shortly before the robbery, B went to a fair with money in his possession and that he sold it or mentioned the fact that he had it to third person are relevant. यानी अगर आप इसको समझने का प्रयास करिए तो ये धारा का ये जो दृष्टांत है ये बताता है कि अगर किसी मामले में प्रश्न यह है कि क्या क ने ख को लूटा, तो यह तथ्य सुसंगत है कि लूट के थोड़ी देर पहले ख धन लेकर के किसी मेले में गया और दूसरे व्यक्तियों को उसने यह दिखाया भी कि उसके पास धन है, यानी इस बात का उल्लेख किया। तो ये जो सारे तथ्य हैं ये सारे के सारे तथ्य सुसंगत हैं। इसके बाद आफ्टर दिस you have to see the illustration B, and in this illustration the question is whether A murdered B. Marks on the ground produced by a struggle at or near the place where the murder was committed are relevant fact. यानी अगर प्रश्न यह है कि क्या ए ने बी की हत्या की है, तो जिस स्थान पर हत्या की गई है उस स्थान पर या उसके समीप लड़ाई की वजह से जो चिन्ह बने हों या गुत्थम गुत्था की वजह से जो चिन्ह बने हों, वे सारे के सारे चिन्ह सुसंगत होंगे। एंड इन द सेम वे व्हेन यू सी द इलस्ट्रेशन सी, द क्वेश्चन इज वेदर A poisoned B. The state of B's health before the symptoms ascribed to poison and habits of B known to A, which afford an opportunity for the administration of poison are relevant fact. यानी अगर प्रश्न यह है कि क्या A ने B को जहर दिया, तो ऐसी दशा में वे सारे लक्षण जो विष से यानी जहर से उत्पन्न होते हैं, वे और उन लक्षणों से पूर्व बी के स्वास्थ्य की क्या दशा थी, और ए को उन बातों की जानकारी जो वो बी की आदतों के बारे में जानता था, जिससे उसको यह अवसर मिला कि वह ए को जहर दे सके। ये सारा का सारा तथ्य सुसंगत है। इस तरीके से जो रेलिवेंसी है धारा 7 की, वो यह निकल करके आती है कि वे तथ्य जो कि विवादक तथ्यों के प्रसंग, हेतुक या परिणाम हैं, वे सुसंगत हैं। यानी फैक्ट्स विच आर occasion, cause or effect of facts in issue are relevant. Now we discussed about the occasion. Occasion or cause of the happening of a particular fact in issue or relevant fact may help in determining the truth or otherwise of the fact asserted or denied. The section therefore makes occasion or cause of a fact in issue or relevant fact also relevant. Evidence can always be given of the set of circumstances which constitute of the occasion for the happening of the principal fact. In R versus Richardson, the fact of which have been noted before, the fact that the deceased girl was alone in her cottage at the time of the murder is relevant as it constituted the occasion for the murder. यानी हम ऐसे सभी तथ्यों का साक्ष्य दे सकते हैं, ऐसे सारे सभी तथ्य सुसंगत होंगे जो कि मुख्य तथ्य को घटने का अवसर देते हैं, मुख्य तथ्य के निर्माण का अवसर देते हैं। वो सारे तथ्य सुसंगत होते हैं। जैसे आर वर्सेस रिचर्डसन का जो मामला है, उसमें जिस लड़की की हत्या हुई वो घर पर अकेली थी, तो उसका घर पर अकेला होना यह एक अवसर है जो कि उस हत्यारे को मिला। तो इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ओकेजन जो है यह एक रेलिवेंट फैक्ट है. आफ्टर इट you have to know the importance of cause. Evidence can be given of the set of circumstances which constitute the cause for the happening of the principal fact. Cause often explain why a particular act was done. It helps the court to connect a person with the act. The act in question must have been done by the person who had the cause for it. In Indian Airlines versus Madhuri Chaudhary, the report of an inquiry commission relating to an air crash is relevant under Section 7 as establishing the cause of the accident. The report will be relevant in every subsequent suit or proceeding in which the cause of the accident is in question. यानी जो कारण होता है, जो हेतुक होता है, वह भी सुसंगत होता है और हम उसका भी साक्ष्य दे सकते हैं. ऐसी सभी परिस्थितियों का साक्ष्य दिया जा सकता है जिनके कारण वो विवादक तथ्य पैदा हुआ है. कारण से यह पता लगता है कि कोई विशेष कार्य क्यों हुआ, कोई कार्य क्यों किया गया. न्यायालय कारण के माध्यम से मामले को और व्यक्तियों को जोड़ने में सहायता प्राप्त करता है. Next, the important term is effects. Subsequent effect of an event may in many cases be helpful in proving a fact and therefore has been made relevant under this section. The effects after the commission of crime are also relevant and important. Every act leaves behind certain effects which not only record the happening of the act but also throw light upon the nature of the act. For example, whether the death of a particular person was caused by suicide or by murder is often determined by looking at the effects of the incident. For suicide and murder have different effects. In R versus Richardson, where a young girl was killed in her cottage, the prints of the footsteps showed that they were those of a person who must have worn shoes, the soles of which had been newly mended and which had iron knobs or nails in them. This is one of the effects of the fact in issue. हर कार्य अपना प्रभाव छोड़ता है. अगर कोई कार्य होगा तो उसका प्रभाव दिखेगा. वह प्रभाव केवल उस कार्य का होना ही नहीं दर्शाता है बल्कि उसकी प्रकृति को भी स्पष्ट करता है. अगर कोई कार्य हुआ है तो उसका प्रभाव दिखेगा. और एक ऐसा तथ्य जो किसी कार्य को करने वाले व्यक्ति तक पहुंचता है वह उसके परिणाम को दिखाता है. तो जितने भी इस तरीके के परिणाम हैं, जैसे इस सेक्शन 7 का जो इलस्ट्रेशन बी है उसमें भी आपने देखा है कि जो मारपीट के स्थान पर जो हत्या के जो निशान बनते हैं उन्हें भी रेलेवेंट बताया गया है. तो इस तरीके से परिणाम सुसंगत होते हैं. अपॉर्चुनिटी, The term opportunity includes all facts of time, place, and personal conduct, which make it possible for a given person to have been present and doing the act. And also facts which make it less possible properly for some other person to have been present and doing it. The fact that a couple occupied the same bedroom may be treated as clear evidence of sexual relationship in most of the cases. Similarly, if a murder is committed in a house where A was present, his presence can be shown as a fact giving him opportunity to commit murder. In this way, the opportunity is a relevant fact. यानी वे सभी परिस्थितियां जो कि किसी घटना को घटित होने का अवसर प्रदान करती हैं, वे सभी सुसंगत हैं और उनका साक्ष्य दिया जा सकेगा। जो भी व्यक्ति किसी को ऐसे कार्य को करना चाहे जो उसके सामान्य जीवन के अनुक्रम का भाग नहीं है, उसे ऐसे कार्य के लिए कोई ना कोई सुअवसर अपॉर्चुनिटी बनाना पड़ेगा और ऐसा सुअवसर, ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी एक महत्वपूर्ण साक्ष्य के रूप में सुसंगत हो जाएगी, क्योंकि इससे ये स्वाभाविक हो जाता है कि यह कार्य किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति ने किया होगा जिसे करने का उसे सुअवसर मिला। And the most important thing is state of things. The physical condition under which the main facts or facts connected therewith happened often help in determining the real issue of the occurrence. Bentham had classified facts in events and state of things. Best who adopt Bentham's classification distinguish between as follows. By an event, it meant some motion or change considered as having come about either in course of nature or through the agency of the human will. In the latter case, it is called an act or action. For example, the fall of a tree is an event and the existence of the tree is a state of thing. In Rattan versus Resina, the accused was prosecuted for shooting down his wife and he took the defense of accident. The fact that the accused was unhappy with his wife and was carrying an affair with another woman was held to be relevant as it considered the state of things in which the principal fact, namely the shooting down, happened. So the state of things is a important fact and a relevant fact. According to section 7, the state of thing is also a relevant fact. So, students, please study about this section and take the help of bare acts and books and clear your view about this section. After it, we will meet in our next lecture. Thanks.